Alright, anyway, well, my camera shut off, so I don't know where I left off at, but anyway, we're out here just stretching the pizza out. Couple little holes that we can manipulate with no problem. Hey, like I said, this is a homemade pizza. You're not selling it at the store, so you're not going to get greater on quality that way. Anyway, just keep on stretching this out, stretching it out, stretching it out, stretching it out, and you'll get there. But this dough smells terrific. And you don't have a whole lot of ingredients in making pizza dough. So, you're not going to worry about that. Alright. Now that you got your dough all laid out the way you want it. And like I said, there's going to be there's going to be places where it's thin, but I was making a thin pizza anyway, so big deal. And like I said, we're not professional here. We're amateurs at best. All right, take a little bit of sauce here. Yourself a spoon. Nice good heaping size of sauce. You don't need a whole lot, but about that much. And we roll. Just roll it out. And get those big chunks of that bay leaf out of there. What didn't get chopped up in the processor. And need a little bit more sauce. Not a lot, a little bit. Now you want to use the back of the spoon to roll the sauce out, and you want to roll it out in a circle. You don't want to go like this. You don't want to go like that, because if you catch the dough, you're going to rip the dough. You just roll it out, like little swirls, just like that, and you can get it as close to the crust as you want, or you can just keep it in the middle. But you don't want a whole lot of sauce there. You want just enough sauce that you get a nice flavor. Yeah, I'll put a little bit more right there. You can catch all the good flavors you have in the sauce. You don't want to lose any of that. Alright, now you got that. Now, I'll take a little bit of extra basil and just sprinkle it on the top. Not a whole lot. Maybe about that much basil. And the same thing with some fresh oregano. Or about that much. Just be careful. Oregano can be quite powerful if you put too much oregano in there. Alright, I got some crumbled up mozzarella, and I got some of the stringy mozzarella as well. I crumbled this up the other day. I ran it through my little food processor because I was making some homemade mozzarella sticks. So, leftover cheese, I had crumbled up cheese put on there. And yeah, you can be as forgiving as you want with the cheese. A little bit or a lot, it don't matter. Cheese is friend. And if you're my mom and you're making a pizza for her, you make sure you put extra cheese on there. Yeah, you can hear her in the background a lot. She loves her cheese. Nice big old cheesy pizza. Alright. Now you can add anything else on there that you want. You can put, you can make chicken. You can put hamburger on there. If you put hamburger on there, I'm telling you, you got to use a combination of mozzarella cheese and the cheddar cheese, sharp cheddar cheese. Sprinkle the hamburger on there. Put the mozzarella cheese on first. Put the hamburger on there, and then sprinkle that that sharp cheddar cheese. The yellow cheddar is the best, or white. All depends on, you know, what your flavor preference is. But yeah, and make that. Or my favorite, you can put it on there, is onion and chicken. That's the best. Take a grilled, take one of those grilled chicken thighs, chop it up, sprinkle it around there, put some onion on there, and a little bit of barbecue sauce. I'm telling you what, it's the next best thing to new shoes. Alright, so get that on there like that. All we got left to do now is to slide this bad boy into the smoker outside, and we're good to go. So I'm going to turn the camera over here, and we're going to walk outside and put it on the grill. Alright, well, we're back here after about 20 minutes. As you can see, that pie is really coming out nice now. It's about done, depending on how crispy you like it, how well done you like it. For me, right about now is probably where I want it. And besides that, the weather over here is starting to get a little gloomy. As you can see, we got some rain clouds coming in here, so it's going to be hard to do anything else with that pizza when it starts raining. So we're going to go ahead and pull it off here in a minute, and we'll see you back inside. Alright, well, we're here, we're back inside now, and I'm telling you, it is damn near perfect. It smells delicious. Alright, well, let's get it cutting here, huh? It's a little hot. So, grab a towel here. Thank you. Nice and crispy. Not too crispy. We like it well done, but not overly well done. And I'm telling you, you'll automatically taste the difference of homemade pizza versus a store-bought any day. You will definitely know the difference. Go ahead and take one of them off. All right. Okay. Well, as first you can see, it is nice and perfectly done on the inside as the cheese goes running off everywhere. Melty, gooey cheese, which is always good. But of course, no pizza is complete without a taste test first. And this is probably going to be one hot pizza. But I've been told that I have asbestos mouth, so anyway. Let's have a bite of pie here, and let's see what it's all about. See how good I did. Now it's going to be hot, so just be careful, but I'm telling you, it's going to be the best pie you ever had. Mmm. You hear that crunch? Perfect. Just perfect. Guys, make this at home. I'm telling you, make it at home. You'll never buy store-bought, and you'll never go to Pizza Hut again. Alright? This is Dave signing off. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and share it with your friends. Until next time, take care.